As the cost of living continues to rise, many families need dual incomes to pay the bills. According to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, a Riverside County family of 4 requires an income of almost $113,000 just to make ends meet. Add the cost of childcare to the mix, and balancing the household budget becomes even more difficult.
Typically, a family with an infant can expect to pay anywhere from $900 to about $1,200 a month, and a family with a preschool child can expect to pay anywhere between $800 to $950 a month. Families are struggling to pay for childcare for a couple of factors. One being if they have more than one child, that does double the expense or triple the expense. In addition, although their incomes have increased over the past few years, so have the costs for everything else. So gas is more expensive, groceries are more expensive, housing is more expensive.
The state government helps alleviate this burden by subsidizing daycare for qualifying families.
We follow the state income ceilings, which the maximum is set at the state median income of 85%, which, to bring that into terms that someone might understand, for a family of 4, that's just over $8,000 a month gross before any taxes or expenses are considered.
While subsidies cover the majority of daycare costs, before the pandemic, most families had to make a copayment, also known as family fees based on monthly income and family size.
State family fees started at a pretty low income level. For many families, it was a significant amount of money, oftentimes several hundreds of dollars a month. Many would decline the childcare services because they couldn't afford the state family fee.
For the past 3 years, fees have been waived due to COVID, a welcome relief to many.
It really did highlight the importance of childcare in the state of California. It really supported our essential workers, and it really did put that into focus for our legislators. So they did make the investments to ensure that families would have access to services to keep our families working and going to school.
The pause on family fees wasn't meant to be permanent. On October 1st, the fee system will be reinstated, but it has undergone what many call a long overdue reform.
It assesses state family fees at a much higher income level, and the maximum state family fee is just over $60 a month. So it's much more affordable, and it covers the services for the whole family. When state family fees are paid, it actually goes back into the child care funding to pay for child care for other families. We know that when you have a 2-parent household, to be able to live in California and afford everything that you need to survive, really both parents need to be working, and the child care subsidized programs really do help to support all families, to keep them employed and to keep our workforce in place.